Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to be doing the percentage of sales method. So it's just an extension of the other example video that we did previously. And so everything's going to look the same. We're up to May 2nd, or excuse me, May 2nd. We've done that. Now we're at the end of the year, the very bottom, December 31st. It says that Juliet Company estimates that 1% of the year's sales will be uncollectible. So everything is the same up to this point. We're just now doing the next I think. So this is the end of the second year. So this is the second I think step. And instead of it just giving us the number outright like it did in the first year where it said 500, this one's saying they're estimating 1% of the sales, this year's sales, will be uncollectible. So we're using the percentage of sales method. So what we need to do is first find out what our sales are for the year. And so if we look back at 4-1, we only have one that is at all, but it's also accounts receivable. So it's 60,000. So we'll start there. 60,000 in total revenue for this year times the 1%, that's going to give us $600. So it's important to understand this is the percentage of sales. So that $600 is the amount that we add to ADA. So we just increase it by 600. So our journal entry would be 1231, would be a bad debt expense because we're expensing it. That's the whole point of this, of 600. And then we will credit allowance for doubtful accounts for 600. Now, visually, again, we're going to take part of the 600 of the 59.1 that we have in the big ADA, or excuse me, the big AR folder, and add it to the ADA account. That's going to give me ADA of 1,000 because I had 400 in it and I added 600. If I change my balance sheet, it's still 59.5 as a total AR, but our ADA now is 1,000, and that's going to give me a net realizable value of 58.5. So that is how you do the percentage of sales. Keep in mind that the number that you find in the percentage of sales is what we add to ADA. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to do another method to find that number. So y'all have a good one.